Hello, Judy Allen here, San Antonio, Texas. And today I'm going to give you a reveal of the winter retreat. This is the Stampin' Up! Retreat that we do with Adventurous Stamping. So let's go down the hands and I will sit up there and give you the reveal of the products that we did. So there you go. Let's go down the hands here. And if you hadn't finished your retreat packet yet, you know, it might be a spoiler alert. Okay, we start off, right? It's all about having fun. And these are the first three cards we did. Fun folds, and this was learning how to do this here. All right, the next one is all about those hot air balloons. Again, we have a couple of fun folds here. And moving right along. Session 2 had to do with the lavender suite, and this is just a nice little fun fold. This is a shaker card, and this was our tea light card. This was followed with some items from our online exclusives. Just make them nice and easy. Here's another fun fold here. And from there, we sat there and did some Easter. And we just took those hot air balloons and you did it with eggs. How about that? So we did this one here, and then we had one that was colored. So you could do what you wanted to do. And then last but not least for the cards is, again, we started simple and just stepped our way up. It's just how simple it is when we go and do the retreats. As far as 3D projects, we made this little one right here. Now, I actually added a couple of extra stuff that I wanted to modify mine, but look how cute this is. Lid off, you can fill it up. I know what I'm going to fill it up with. And actually, I'm going to make 3 more for my grandkids. Let's see, I did mine on the back too. And then we actually had 2 3D projects. This one took up most of the time. And I already given these away. So this was our other 3D project that we did. So there you go. That's how simple and easy it is for a retreat. It's 18 cards, right? And 3D project. 3D projects always vary as well as the cards do, right? So with that, look forward to when we do our spring retreat, which is the last Saturday of April. It'll be a whole new ball game, right? Because it'll be focused on different products and different stuff. So with that, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you next time. All right. Bye.